What up? What up? All right, man. Long ass day today. Long ass day today. All right, I'm about to. I'm approaching my brother-in-law Danny's house right now. Let me just tell you. Look at this. We're over here now. We're approaching his house. Let me just tell you what happened. He gave me some money to pick him up some parts while I was at Dan's place. King Motor RC, Rovan RC, Primal RC. Since I went there to pick up the Primal RC dragsters, right? So I went there, whatever, and I wanted to bring home some parts. And my brother-in-law had a bad 10 flips. Upstate New York, where that pond where you see me jump my shit all the time, he hit that pretty hard. His Baja 32cc is pretty quick. It's pretty quick for what it is. And he hit that shit full speed, and he had the grass cut, and he had the rocks raked. So he got some good speed out of that jump there. Supposedly he jumped it hard there, and he flipped the shit out of it, and he bent his exhaust. He fucked up everything. The shock uprights, the chassis is bent a little bit, and he gave me some money to bring back some parts for him. Well, he don't know this, but I got him a brand new fucking Baja. All right, so we got him a Baja. He can keep his smashed up Baja for parts, or he can fix it up one day. He'll have two Bajas. That's up to him. But he has no idea. I'm gonna tell him, listen, this box here is your parts that I got you, and I want to film this. Either he's not gonna like it or he's gonna like it. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so stay tuned for this. What? Oh shit! Open your garage.
It's not gonna drop. I got the cheap shit there. I got it from the side.
You got it? I think that might be your parts.
This?
Yeah, I think that's your parts. Yeah, those are your parts. Yeah.
What's this?
The rest of your parts are in here.
What are you talking about, John?
There's parts in here.
This is the whole car, dude.
What's this? There you go. Cool. Look at that. God damn. Those are nice wheels, bro. Now you can change these V-locks if you want. Cool. What's in here? Cool. You got some wrenching to do. Did you get that brace? Yeah, you got the brace too. Oh, you got that. Dan gave this to you to stop fucking shit up and use that. On the other part, there's a part here missing. Fuck, I have it in my. Oh, I have it here.
Why is there four wheels here, though?
Front and rears, kid. We don't fuck around.
Fronts are the same?
Fronts, yeah. So you match
Okay.
set. Any questions? The rest of the parts is in here.
Dude, this is a fucking car. What are you doing with this shit?
No, there's parts in there.
Parts are good out here. Get the fuck out of here.
There's parts. I'm not kidding.
Get the fuck out of here.
Man, open it up. You got a knife on you?
Nah, dude, come on.
Yeah, open it up.
Dude,
Where is it?
It's in the fucking...
You got a knife? I want to see. He said the rest of the roll cage is there. The chassis that's bent is there. You gotta get those. You gotta get those tools. Yeah.
I don't know what you're fucking thinking. Seriously.
What we got here? I wonder what the hell roll cage he's got in here for you. He said the shock towers were here.
Fucking nuts.
Shock tower.
Yeah.
Like a couple of hard pieces of screws too. A couple of screws here. There you go, bro. There's your parts, kid. Done. Any questions? Oh shit, you got extra wheels too. Fuck. You got extra wheels. Looks like you got another wing here, kid. Oh shit. You got that fucking nice fuel tank, bro, that I like. That's happy to see you, bro. You know what I'm saying?
What else do we got here?
Zana Cafe, Zan. Any questions, kid? Done. Gotta go. Oh, there's another part here for you too. There you got as an upgrade. Check it out. So this is the one, man. You know, this thing moves, believe it or not, man. This thing moves. Look at this. Well, you got two options right now. You got two options. No more remontables. Oh, that's, oh, check this out, guys. Yeah, so you bent this pipe. I love this pipe. This shit, this pipe that gets thrown up top. I like the way it makes an engine scream, but look at this. You can try to bend it back, but that ain't gonna happen. Probably pull that guy out. But anyway, here's a better look. This was your first fifth scale ever, huh?
Yeah.
First fifth scale. What the only thing I don't like of the damage here, yes, this is repairable. Everything's repairable. Is this chassis how it's bent like this? That's the only thing. You see that? That's ridiculous. I have a chassis in the truck. I can bring it here so you see. Do you see that? You see how that's on a 45-degree angle, bro? You understand? No. So look. You got two options. You got a parts car. You got extra rims, tires, wheels, whatever. You got shocks. You got roof. Yo, the roll cage went back. Almost.
Almost.
Oh, shit. That's, wow.
It was the exhaust.
See, this is the Rovan plastic. The Rovan, the nylon, the Rovan plastic is best, is better. Holy shit. No, but this thing was fucking kinked over here, bro. Yo, this roll cage is still usable, bro.
Yesterday. That's why
Oh, wow. So, all right, so this one has nice sway bars, bro. Shit. Yeah, so I would use a lot of stuff off here. Or take your time. You can repair this one little by little. But, you know, you can have the chassis, that King motor chassis that I have, that came with my roller. You understand? The one I took the parts off of. Build one from scratch, bro.
You can't run it like this, man.
No, that chassis is fucked. Where's that steel plate that Dan gave you? Told me to give to you to stop fucking Baja chassis up. Where is it?
It's in the trailer.
Well, you have that skid plate on here. You're not bending that shit. But, yeah, man. And this motor runs good. This 32. You know? Yeah, so here it is. He still has everything. He has a stock Rovan steering. Except for here. He's got a high-tech. Yo, you got a nice high-tech servo here, bro. Alright. There it is. That stainless, feel that shit. I mean, you may not do wheelies with that thing. It's a little heavy on the heavy side, but you throw a powerful motor in here, yes, it will wheelie. But you see the difference, bro? You see how strong this is? Not only that, you're going to have to drill. See these two holes? You're going to have to drill into the chassis. It completely supports the chassis up front. This is a Baja's saver right here. That's what they should call it. But, you know, most guys run the aluminums and this and that.
This is shot, right?
This is light. Yeah, definitely shot. See this? Yeah, once you take these off, they're done. You got to get replaceable ones. You go to DDM, pick them up. DDM. You can get Zenoa ones, or you can get these same ones, or you can get copper ones. If you get the copper ones, they're more money. You can go in and out with them. Tighten them, loosen them, tighten them. But I would say Zenoa ones. And that's it, man. You're ready to go, bro. Not with this one. You're ready to go. You got to break in. You get your new one. Take that pipe out. Throw it in the garbage, right? The can pipe that comes with it, isn't it? Throw the pipe in there. Is that one? Yeah. No. Yeah, don't even bother putting silicone on that. Just put a fresh gasket and that's it. Call it a day. But yeah, this motor runs good, bro. So you save this engine. If you're not going to run this motor, put oil in here and close this exhaust port. Yeah, okay? Put oil in here, fog it up, and put it to the side. So this motor runs good. You know what else? That 5SC that I have has a 32 in there. I cracked the head. It runs perfect, my 32. The problem is I cracked the head. The whole shit got smashed. Guess what? The piston is brand new, bro.
Cool.
We could one day rebuild this if you wanted to. You know, I recommend a different motor, but this one runs good, but I'm not going to throw it out. All right, so all we got to do, my piston could fit here, crankshaft is whatever. That's it. You're all good. That's it. You got the outerwears on this one. Maybe get fresh ones for the new one. I don't know. Whatever you want to do. That's it.
Cool, bro.
All right. You got some wrenching to do, bro. Get them tools. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, you wanna. It's hot as hell. You wanna work like a gentleman downstairs. Oh, and my friend is coming out with brand new. What's that? Oh, you want to see a bashing over here? Uh-huh.
Typical monster.
Cool. Yeah, that's, I remember that, dude. A friend of mine's coming out with new 5th scale work stands for everybody. Very reasonable priced. And powder coated to whatever color you want. So stay tuned for that. Can't wait. Back at it. Back here. We got my parts of goodies. All right, we got future builds here. Bottigel ain't stopping, man. Got lots of work going on, all right? Future builds. All right, I also have more future builds. That's gonna be definitely for my 5SC Baja in the future. All right, so guys, I already have a winter project in my mind lined up, which I'll be using this year. Okay. This here is a special chassis. It's a longer chassis. This chassis here is 4 inches longer than the stock Baja. All right, so this will be a future build so I can hang out with my friends at Floyd Bennett Field and drag race, so I can be in the Pro Mod class. I am thinking about building my first Pro Mod dragster, RC dragster. All right, any questions? That's right. All right, so this is gonna be nice. This, hopefully. All right, either it'll be a Pro Mod or it's gonna be a funny car. All right, it may be like a, I may turn it into like a funny car like Dan has from Primal RC, that beautiful blue Corvette that he has, that he built. I may do that, or I may do a Pro Mod like my good friend Alan or Kevin, HPI King Kevin. All right, so one of them. We'll see. We have time. We have months ahead. Winter project. All right. Look at this. Look, my daughter over here playing this crap. Huh? Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah. All right. So let me put all this stuff away. We got some goodies here. Some extra parts. I love this body. I'm gonna definitely do something with that. And that's it. Also got these here. All right, this goes over here, I believe. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, this would be nice. It'll look nice, but this here I just want to keep it light. This is my drag Baja. All right, so I may just do this for is this the rears? This could be the rear, I think. Yeah, this is the rear. Yeah, so yeah, I can always do this in the future, or I may do this for my 5SC. All right. So, all right. Stay tuned. We got lots coming. I mean, I have lots coming. Seriously. All right. So, stay tuned.